Hello, everybody. This is Mandarin Chinese easy, and today I am going to teach you how to say morning, afternoon, and lunch, and evening, and also good morning, and how to greet people, and also how to ask people about breakfast and lunch and dinner. So follow me, and I will teach you how to speak English in the easiest and fast way. Okay, let's start today's lesson. So firstly, it's morning, 早上。早上 and noon is 12 o'clock. So you should say 中午,中午. And next one, afternoon. 下午,下午. And next one, evening. 晚上,晚上. So how to greet people when you first meet people at morning? So you should say good morning. 早上好,早上好. And good afternoon. 下午好,下午好. And good evening. 晚上好,晚上好. And also, so how to speak breakfast, lunch, and dinner? So firstly, breakfast. 早餐,早餐. 早 means morning. 餐 means meal. So you put two words together. That's 早餐. And lunch. 午餐,午餐. And dinner, 晚餐,晚餐. So now you ask people, did you have breakfast? So you need to say, 你吃早餐了吗?你吃早餐了吗? And you answer him, yes, I had breakfast. And you, 我吃了,你呢?我吃了,你呢? So, and also you can try to ask people, and did you have lunch or dinner? And you answer him in the same way. Okay, this is today's lesson. Now, let's read. Follow me.
早上、中午、下午、晚上。早上好，下午好，晚上好。早餐、午餐、晚餐。你吃早餐了吗？我吃了，你呢？
Okay, gentlemen, and this is today's lesson. And follow me. I will teach you more about Chinese. And this is today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.